Ellwood has helped change my life and become not only a good employee for Ellwood, but also a better man for myself, my family, and not only my immediate family, my extended family as well. I have people that look up to me. I have people that look up to my kids, and it's a joy because I came from a broken home, and now that I'm able to guide my family with the help of Ellwood and the work that I've been given and the opportunities that I've been given, I can give my kids a lot of things that I didn't have, but also I see opportunities that I'll be able to give them and introduce them to that I wasn't able to have. A typical day here at Ellwood is always different for me. I have different hats that I wear, whether that's be managing guys, whether that be making a program for automation, making adjustments to automation. But I come in, I walk the shop, make sure everybody has what they need, make sure everybody's good, make sure machines are running, go back to my office, make some programs for future parts that we have. Then I continue to build and try to improve on processes that we already have in place. When I started here at Ellwood, I was working in the processing area, and I didn't have much experience, didn't need much experience. Today I am at a point to where I can program CNCs, I can run all the machines that we have throughout the machine shop, and I have people working under me and training those guys as well. So I started off here working in the processing area, and from that to what I do now, which is I program robots, I program CNC machines, I manage people. So we have a lot of great people on our team here at Ellwood. And one guy in particular that around that time when I was learning to do different things and new things, Butch Kythen, he's been with Ellwood Texas Fort Houston for about 30 to 40 years, somewhere in that range. He's been here for a while, and I was able to go to him for advice and just be able to ask him different questions about different processes throughout the plant and how he was able to have his impact on here, being here so long, asking questions just so I can be a better employee for the company. The culture at ETFH is pretty much family-based. The reason I get up and come to work every day is I love the people at Ellwood. We all see it as we're just trying to help each other get that job done. And if I can help you, that'll make your job easier, it'll make my job easier as well. I'm hoping I can continue to grow in this company and to spread the goodness of the people here throughout Ellwood and create relationships with new people that are to come to be able to get those same opportunities that I had. My career has been exceptionally extraordinary. With all the opportunities and different things and different people I've got to meet, different relationships I've got to grow with, and it's been incredible.